Hi, my name is Courtney Crandon. This is my intro video. I currently work for USD 259, which is in Wichita, Kansas, and is, I believe, the largest district in Kansas. It is definitely an inner city school district. We have a lot of Title I schools, very diverse. We have about 119 languages spoken in our homes of our students. My school has about 630 students enrolled as of last year, and it is a Title I. My school is located in South Wichita, which is a low poverty part of town. Um, I am one of two full-time PE teachers since we have so many students. There are two of us. We work together all the time, so we always have double classes in the gym. So we have about 50 students in the gym at a time, which can get a little tight sometimes. As of extra responsibilities, I just started this position in January. I was at a different school um, before that for a year and a half, and just moved into my new position in January. So I didn't really take on extra roles in the middle of the year, but I definitely hope next year to take on more responsibility and more leadership roles at my school. The person that is most influential in my life right now, I would definitely have to say, is my husband. He is just so hardworking. He's not afraid to take risks, and he's just constantly working to push forward. The results of my test, my personality test, um, the highest one I got was conscientiousness, which is being careful and organized, detail oriented. I think that's me to a T. I'm always prepared. I am probably overly organized. I make lists for everything. I like to color coordinate. I have a planner. And just pretty much every part of my day is planned out. Um, and there's lists for everything. So I think my personality test pretty much was me to a T. And then the two leadership roles that I researched, participative leadership style, which means that you have your team members in on the process. So, not just delegating roles or just taking over, but working as a team with a leader. Um, I think that um, is me. I definitely think for me it would be organized and giving out tasks, but also listening to other people's ideas. I definitely think as a leader, one person shouldn't do it all by themselves. I think you should be able to take from your team members and then be a leader and organize those ideas, put them into a goal, and then make a plan. And then the other one was path goal theory. So, kind of similar, you have a leader that's guiding the members into the goal. So, setting a goal and then making that path available for them. So, those were the two that I researched and thought that were pretty similar to my leadership style. Thanks.